It's bothering me. Bothering Mama. Gosh. Ain't talking no more.
She's so cute, isn't she?
I said I want to look pretty for her.
Aww. So, you said you wanted to wear a wig today, right?
Yes.
So I have something for you.
You do?
Ah.
He says Valentine.
It doesn't say anything.
It says love. Love, love.
So, Mommy, I have this wig for you
Okay.
from WorldNewHair.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You said you've always wanted like a short curly wig.
Yes.
I shaped it to my face, which is the same as your face.
Yours is prettier.
Oh, that's so sweet. And it's already cut. All you have to do is apply it yourself.
Okay. How do I do it? With hand or legs? I don't do it, so I don't know.
I'm gonna help my mom and assist her and direct her on how to put on a wig. Now she doesn't have much hair on her head, so cornrows aren't really necessary.
Yeah.
And because it's a curly wig anyway, we don't have to do all that. Now, you know, this is usually whenever I'm doing like a lazy wig day, I usually just pull my hair back as so.
Like this?
Yeah, good job. And then I put a wig cap on, and then I go ahead and start applying the wig, okay?
So should I find a wig cap?
You should probably do that. But before you do that, I did bring some tools for you to go ahead and do a lazy wig install. Well, first you have to have water.
Oh, that's water.
Yes.
Oh.
When applying your curly wig, you need to have water.
Okay.
And I think water and mousse are the only things that I really use on curly hair.
Okay.
And then, of course, gotta use your got to be.
Got to be. That is the germ.
Let's get started. Make sure you tuck all that hair in so you can
That's
protect
too much
your hair.
work, though.
But this is why she doesn't wear wigs.
Now it might be too tight.
It won't be too tight.
Oh.
It's nice and snug.
Yeah. Will it cause headache?
Nah, I mean it can if it's too tight, but just let me know.
Can I wear my cap after this?
Your hair?
Yeah. Yeah.
This hair might be a little too big for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But anyway, see? Look at that. It sits a lot better now.
Okay.
So that's your first tip of the day.
Okay.
Is you want it to be a little tighter at the back or with any band that you're wearing so that, like, you know, it lays a little better, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So let's go ahead and get you a towel.
This is too much work, to be honest with you.
Yeah, so do you want to do this part?
Oh, what do I do? Spray my head?
Yeah. Spray it. I'm going to spray the top and I'm going to spray this side for you so you can see how you're supposed to spray.
It's bothering me. Bothering Mama. Gosh. That's too much work. Okay.
So see how I finger comb while I spray through the hair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to do the same thing. Okay? On the other side.
Okay, got it.
Okay?
Yeah.
And I won't spray too much because you don't want the hair to drown. But
In water.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I do this side.
But try to avoid your face too. Finger comb your hair and try to like focus where the spray should go.
Wow. Mine is like shoo, shoo. Yes, it's like
Pretty much one of the last steps to do whenever you're defining the curls is to add some type of moisturizer to the curls to enrich them.
Okay.
So we're gonna add the.
Do I have some on this side?
I can get you some.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna add the curling mousse, and it also has argan oil in it. So I'm gonna put some on your hand.
On my hand. Should I take off my rings?
Yeah. I won't. You don't have to put it. You don't have to do that. Just put it on the hair. There you go.
It will fall off. Keep doing it.
So it's distributed all through the hair.
Oh, the towel, please.
Okay.
My shirt is gonna be messed up.
That's why I usually do my hair with like a robe on.
Oh, yeah. Well, you didn't want me.
Sorry.
Jesus.
For the last part?
Yeah.
So now we're going to go ahead and spray down this part so that you can have it laid. And I usually use like some type of whatchamacallit, something to hold it down. So I would usually use like spandex isn't the word that I'm looking for.
Hold down band.
Yeah. Yes. An edge
Hold
band.
down.
An edge hold.
Edge hold. Is this my own edge hold? Because I don't have one.
And just like that, she's looking good. She forced me to put a wig on too, but what do we think, guys? What do you think, Mommy?
I like it so much.
Okay.
But it takes so much time. I'm sorry.
So you're gonna stick to being bald?
Only sometimes when I want to feel pretty,
Oh,
then I'll have you put it up.
zhuzh you up.
Just me up.
Well, this is just a lazy install, by the way. So,
Can you imagine if it's longer?
I know.
This is beautiful.
Okay. Well,
I
I'm
look
glad you love
different.
it.
I look different.
And then it dries up so much more beautiful. So I'll send or show you guys pictures whenever it's dried up. But we are about to head out, and you know, just a cute little video to do with Mommy and me. So thank you for joining me, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Okay. So guys,
For you.
you're so sweet. So guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and beautiful, James.
Bye.